Hello and welcome. Our project title is AI Driven Early Detection of Colorectal Cancer, and our team members are Sanika Dhuri, Swayam Gayakwad, Khyati Hegde, and Anjali Parvani. Our mentor for the project is Dr. Anjali Yole, and co mentor being Mrs. Kusum Kardam. Harnessing cutting edge artificial intelligence, we aim to spot colorectal cancer earlier when treatment is most effective and bring sharper, faster diagnostics to the clinic. Colorectal cancer, or CRC, is the third most diagnosed cancer and the second leading cause of cancer related deaths globally. Over 1.9 million cases and 935,000 deaths were reported in 2023, according to WHO. Early detection boosts the 5-year survival rate from 14% to 91%. Current diagnostic methods are manual and error prone. This project proposes an AI powered 2-stage diagnostic system that analyzes medical images. System design. Our system follows a 2-stage pipeline. In stage 1, we analyze histopathology images using the ResNet 50 model to detect the presence of cancer. If cancer is detected, the patient is advised to proceed with the treatment. If not, we move to stage 2, which focuses on early detection. Here, endoscopic images are processed using a vision transformer VIT model to check for the presence of polyps. If a polyp is found, the patient is considered at risk of developing cancer in the future and must take precautions. If no polyp is detected, the patient is considered safe. This approach ensures both diagnosis and prevention through deep learning. In stage 1, we tackle histopathology image classification. We work with the NCT CRC HE 100K dataset. 100,000 images divided into 9 tissue types, being tumor, stroma, debris, lymphocytes, mucus, muscle, normal, adipose, and background. Because tumor and stroma are cancer positive, we focus extra attention on those two classes. Now, for the model, we fine-tune a ResNet 50 twice using transfer learning. After the second training cycle, performance jumps. Overall accuracy reaches 90.68% and the macro F1 score lands at 0.90 with a marked boost in tumor and stroma detection. Stage 2 moves from microscope slides to live endoscopic footage for polyp detection. We train on the Quasir V2 dataset 8 endoscopic images classes that include polyps, dyed resection margin, esophagitis, ulcerative colitis, the normal Z-line, normal pylorus, and the normal cecum. Polyps and dyed lifted polyps signal cancer risk, so they are our focus targets. To tackle the tasks, we fine-tune a vision transformer, specifically Google's VIT-based PAT16 224 pre-trained on ImageNet 21K. The results are strong. Overall accuracy hits 93% with balanced precision, recall, and F1 scores. Most importantly, the model generalizes well, reliably flagging polyps across varied real-world images. To make our models more transparent, we plug in LIME, local interpretable model agnostic explanations. LIME spotlights the image regions that drive each prediction, and the heat maps show the model zeroing in on medically relevant structures. That visual proof boosts clinical trust. We also layer on a retrieval augmented generation pipeline, think search plus chat. It pulls answers from vetted medical literature and then crafts a context-aware response. So basically, anyone, patient or clinician, can fire off colon cancer questions and get clear, accurate guidance on the spot. In conclusion, our research presents a multi-stage deep learning pipeline for colorectal cancer detection, combining ResNet 50 for histopathological image classification with 90.68% test accuracy, VIT for polyp detection in endoscopy images with 93% accuracy, LIME for interpretable diagnostics, and RAG for real-time medical Q&A. This framework stands out due to its hybrid decision structure and use of explainable AI, ensuring high accuracy, transparency, and usability. It reduces reliance on manual pathology and enhances screening, especially in low resource and rural settings. Though our system does not yet map patient data between imaging types, which is a key limitation, but it lays the foundation for an integrated clinical diagnostic tool. In the future, mapping multimodal data from the same patients and deploying this pipeline in hospitals could significantly improve CRC outcomes. Thank you for watching. We hope this brings you a deeper understanding of how AI can revolutionize early cancer detection.